Hey guys, welcome back. I'm out with my mate John today.
Yeah.
We're going to do a bit of bird watching, bird photography. I've also got my fish traps in the bag. Last time I was here I seen a bunch of tilapia in a little creek, so we're going to see if we can catch them. Check this out. I'll have to crop in and I'll add one of the photos, but right up there in the middle of the rafters is a beautiful little possum having a sleep. He is adorable. But don't worry, I got a photo of him. I'll show you him later. So yeah, we're going to go for a walk. How many kilometers is it around this track? About 4, wasn't it?
3 or 4.
3 or 4 kilometers. Round trip all the way out that way and back. So there's a beautiful little kingfisher over there, and John is taking photos of it. Yeah, I got some good photos as well, and I will share them at the end of the video. So right here, this is where I'm going to set my fish traps, and then we're going to go and do our photography and then come back and check them later. So last time I was here, these little ponds were full of juvenile tilapia. Oh yeah, look at this. The water dragon. Yeah, so I can see a bunch of gambusia down there. Oh, there's the tilapia over there. Alright, we're going to put a trap in. There's a gorgeous little red-backed fairy wren over there. I'm busy setting traps here, so I'll leave that one with John. So I just brought 2 traps today, and we have got bread and dog food for bait. Straight down there, guys, juvenile tilapia. So just baiting up my trap, 1 piece of bread and some dog food. Okay, first trap is going in. Second trap, first trap's over that side. Second trap I'm going to set just in here. And yeah, we're going to continue our bird photography. And we will come back in about, you know, half an hour to an hour. Hopefully it's just native fish, but I know that's not true because I've already sighted some tilapia. So hopefully we can pull out a bunch of them and return these waters to the native fish. Traps are set. So me and John are going to continue on, and he's having a look at what he got. Oh, very nice.
Camera's having a meltdown.
Bit hard to see from camera to camera, but yeah, there's a little red-backed fairy wren photo there. We'll upload it. So yeah, hopefully we can catch some tilapia. And now hopefully we can see some birds.
Pigeon or a pheasant?
Yeah, I don't know.
That red's along the fence line.
Oh yeah, a bit too far away.
That's what I was shooting down there.
Yep.
Which
So yeah, the last time me and John chose to come to this place, it was a heat wave. That was back in February, and it hit 40 degrees. And today's no different. It's another heat wave, and here we are back out again. But yeah, today we've had a lot of rain, and the mosquitoes are off the charts. We're getting eaten alive by them. But anyway, it's fun.
Still good to be out here.
Yep.
Came up where we saw a snake last night.
Yeah, that's right. Last time we were here, there was a big brown snake crossing the pathway just up here.
It was lucky we actually stopped to have a chat.
Yeah.
We turned around and went.
We would have.
Across.
He would have got us. There we go. We got a mating pair of red-backed wrens just over there, getting some great shots. Okay, and just over here we've got a blue, superb fairy wren. One of my favourites.
There he is.
There he is. Get him. So we just did a, I don't know, maybe 2 kilometre trek that way. Got eaten alive by mosquitoes. Oh, look at this, guys. Isn't that cute? But yeah, anyway, come back to the spot where the fish traps are. So, I'm gonna pull them in, see what we got. If we got anything. We should do. There's a lot of fish here. So, alright, I'm going to check this trap over here first. See if we got anything. Whoa. Oh, that's weird. I could have sworn there was a fish in there. Unless he's under the bread. No. That is very strange. Nothing. Nothing at all. That is disappointing. Let's check the other one. Wild animals. There's tilapia there. There's a tilapia right there. There's such a fickle fish. It doesn't mean we're going to catch them just because they're in there. Anyway, second trap. Oh, here we go. What do we got? This one actually does have fish. This one has got a lot of fish. I'm going to put it on top of this trap. The concrete here is really, really hot. Wow, we've got a bunch of big, healthy native gudgeons. No tilapia. Right, guys. Big, gorgeous gudgeons. Oh, they're really beautiful. Let's put them back. Okay, no tilapia, so I just reset the traps. I put the dog food in the main trap this time. Hopefully that will attract it, and I set one close to the surface and one down deeper. We'll leave that a little while, and fingers crossed we get some tilapia. But apart from that, there's a healthy population of gudgeons here, which is really good to see. But there is also a bunch of tilapia. We have noticed about 15 small juvenile tilapia up to about that size swimming around on the surface. John just seen a snake here. Where was it?
Straight along here, and it's just gone straight in the middle.
What colour was it? Is it silvery?
Little banded brown and
Keelback. Keelback snake. Awesome. They eat cane toads. One of the only Aussie animals that's adapted to eat those pesky little rascals. Unfortunately, my camera appears to have died. I'm not sure what's going on with it. So yeah, that's not great, but what can you do? Snake, keelback, right there.
You going under?
Yep.
Tail go.
Right there, guys. Keelback snake. Wow. Look at him go. Gorgeous.
Hey, good old.
Lucky this camera is still working. That was great.
Reckon he'll come back.
Again, guys.
So Glenn already in here.
There you go. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing.
There must be plenty of food around here for him.
How cool was that? Keelback. One of my favourite Aussie snakes because they're non-venomous and they eat the cane toad. Where'd he go? He just went tucked in there somewhere. Oh, it's extremely hot. Probably around about 35 plus degrees. John has grabbed some amazing photos of the snake.
Mate, exciting.
And just giving these traps a couple more minutes. Hopefully we'll grab a few of those little tilapia that are there. Look at them down there. Look at those pesky tilapia. Go in the trap, dude.
Okay. Just there. He's just gone back down that hole. He just come straight along the concrete.
Oh, wait, keelback is back here.
He just comes straight here where your foot is. And he slid straight down that hole.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man. I just looked up and he's fucking sliding right past you.
Wow, this keelback is like not camera shy.
Perfectly clearing.
It's alright. Not sure where he is at the moment. Must have gone up that pipe. There's a little pipe in there. Or something. Or a hole anyway.
But yeah, seriously, dude, where you're standing, just come right along the edge of the concrete
Really?
and slid it straight down the edge of
Wow.
it. He is sneaky.
He's just doing laps. He's like going around, come back and around again.
He must like it.
Wow, look at that, guys.
I want to get a good head to it.
Man, he is super beautiful. Wow. He just keeps on making passes back in front of us.
You watch your stand back.
He wants to be YouTube famous. That's the 6th time that snake has come past us. That's so incredible. We're just waiting to see if he'll make another appearance. And that gives the fish traps a little longer to do their thing. Finch is in the grass there. John's doing his thing. Unfortunately, my camera is still dead. Alrighty, let's see if we got some tilapia this time. Let's check this one first. And this one has got, there's a bunch of fish in there, but I think they're all gudgeons again. Yeah, gorgeous Aussie natives like this. And aren't they absolutely stunning? That's an Empire gudgeon right there. Time to check the other one. This is the one I had mounted closer to the surface in the hope of catching a tilapia. I've caught a stick. And what's this one got? This one has caught all... Oh, here we go. We got one. Where'd he go? Okay, that is up. That is the tiniest tilapia I've caught this year, and he is gone. Oh no, there he is. So yeah, guys, that right there, and he's bounced. Oh no, sorry, but yeah, tilapia, we caught one. And the rest of the trap is full of beautiful, beautiful empire gudgeons. Like, have a look at this one here. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous?
But look what we do.
Yeah.
You know?
Alright, so we're walking back to the car. Posted a video on my TikTok yesterday where I claimed to catch the smallest tilapia of 2023, but that's false because I just caught a smaller one. About a centimetre long, this one. Unfortunately, he bounced back out of my hand back into the creek. There's nothing I can do about that, and I apologise. My camera died, but before it did die, I did manage to get a few nice shots of some birds. So John's going to fill in the gaps with his photos.
Got a couple.
Yeah, he's got some epic ones of the keelback snake, so I can't wait to see them. So yeah, thanks for joining, and thanks for supporting, and I'll catch you next time.